All right, so this is an Intex Excursion 5-person inflatable boat. So in this video, I just want to do a quick unboxing and set this up and give you my first impressions testing it out over here. All right, so everything comes in this baggie. And right here we have the 2 paddle boards, which sets up pretty easily. This can be fitted right in here and it clicks into place. And then same thing for this other part. And we got both paddles now. And then we also have the manual pump. And I think these are 2 gaskets. And we also have an owner's manual. There's also some rope and this little baggie, which is gonna have these 4 connector pieces. And finally, the boat itself. And here's everything that has to be inflated. We got the boat over here and then 3 additional chambers. And this is gonna be the seat with the backrest, the seat with the backrest, and then the middle part. So now time to inflate all this up. All right, so I started pumping this. I put it right over here and then just start going at it. So this is probably gonna take me a while. So I'll be back when I finish all this. All right, so it's been about 2 minutes and this first chamber is pretty much done. So I could just take this out and quickly plug it in. All right, so now it's time for the second chamber, which is gonna be right over here. All right, so it's been about 3 to 4 minutes and this second chamber is done. So it's gonna be taken off and then plugged right in. And now time for the 3rd chamber right here. And one thing I messed up before was accidentally taking this whole thing off, because I just have to take off this cap right here. Yeah, like that. Then I can screw this piece back in and then this can go right inside and we can start the pumping process again. All right, so the 3rd chamber is nice and blown up. It's now time to cover this up. And now all we have left is these 3 over here. This is gonna be for the middle. All right, that's good. And we go over there. And now, time for the last one. All right, that's good. And now time to put everything together. All right, so I put each part where it's supposed to go, and this is the longer of the 2. So this is gonna go in the back, this one in the middle, and then that one in the front. And I'm gonna start with this front one right over here. All right, so this part's gonna go right here, and we got these 2 hooks there. So I just wanna very carefully stick it in there. All right, so I put the rest of the stuff on, and turns out putting these seats was actually really tricky. For some reason, these weren't like attaching, so I deflated it. It was still tricky, so I pushed it in with like a metal piece here, and it was able to clamp on. And same thing for these over here, but finally got it all together. I also ended up attaching this over here. That's just like a little pouch to put some stuff. And also I tied the rope all around over here. But yeah, now it's time to take this out over here and see how well this works.
Look at this beautiful view. You know it, Pookie.
I hope my phone doesn't fall in the water. Please. And there's the first voyage on this Intex Excursion 5 boat.